Well, basketball kasi, when you play, you just need to be aggressive lang eh. Kapag hesitant ka kasi, hindi mo magagawa yung mga gusto mong gawin. So, I was just being aggressive. Tapos, kahit, nung mga preseason games namin, ganun na rin yung hinahanap ni coach sa akin. So kumbaga natuto na rin ako from the past games, preseason games.
Naman, after being drafted ng second round, ng Barako, number 16, gano'ng katagal bago ka nakakuha ng contract sa Barako?
It lasted for a week, I think. A week of practicing with them. Buti nandun pa sila Kuya Ronald, Kuya Danny. They're very nice to me, and then sinasabihan nila ako what to do. And then sabi na sa akin, patience lang. Dadating din yan, just play your game.
Pero it took some time, If we count the days or months from the time that you're drafted, given a contract up to now, kumbaga, what took you so long to have this kind of performance?
Well, starting of the first conference, I fractured my hand. Tapos, I was out for 6 months. And then, 4 to 6 months. And then, starting of the second conference na-refracture ulit. So, yung laro ko, fifth to the last game na lang ako nakalaro last conference. So, I'm just very blessed na nakalaro ako today and helped my team win.
Pero was there some point, Emma, na parang dumating yung point na medyo nadi-discourage ka or parang feeling mo, hindi man na-discourage but there were some parang question marks about yung PBA career mo?
Malaki pa naniniwala ko sa Diyos eh. I know everything happens for a reason. I fractured my hand, I didn't stop. I refractured my hand, I didn't stop. I said na bibigyan talaga ako ng Diyos ng pagkakataon, and I think this is it. This is it.
And meron bang Eman, parang gulat factor na once you enter the PBA court, parang iba pala rito, parang medyo mas ibang level, malalaki, gano'n?
Oo naman, but my veteran teammates talaga, sila yung nag-lift sa akin and give me the confidence to play my game. Niready nila ako kumbaga sa totoong laro.
How will this game help you in your succeeding games with Barako?
Well, for the team, this is a huge win. Kumbaga, makahinga na kami na parang we won our first game already. So I hope this will carry on to the next games, or na yung chemistry namin and laro namin on the court.
Pero sa iyo, Eman, itong game na to, gaano ka-importante for you to jumpstart something na maging maganda yung career?
Personally, hindi ko talaga inisip sa sarili ko eh. I just wanted to win. I just wanted to win for the team. I just wanted my teammates to be happy after this. So, yun lang talaga yung inisip ko. And fortunately, God gave me the opportunity to score a lot of points. So, thank you talaga. Thank you.
You think it will establish something that will make you as one of the elite guards ng team mo?
Malayo pa yung kumbaga, marami pa ako i-improve. I just need to keep working hard each and every day, practice, game. I need to listen to my veteran teammates, my coach. And just keep working hard every day. Yun lang talaga. Work hard. Because I'm 5'6". I'm not 6'5". I don't have the height, but, I have the heart.
Okay.